Yabona into eyenzeka manje ku-N3 yenza kucace ukuthi shuthi lo hulumeni we-GNU phela unendaba nomnotho neconstitution. Kodwa kumangalayo ke ukuthi umnotho uyaphazamiseka kodwa impilo zabantu nazo futhi ziyathinteka. Kodwa uboni benzani. Kuyamangaza ukuthi sokuphele more than 10 hours kunabantu abastakhe kusnow ku-N3. GNU government keep sending warnings, which is not wrong. But where is rescue teams? Why ngasuka izolo abantu bakhishwa lapha kusnow ngamabhanoyi basuwe endaweni eziphephile? Zingasala ke imoto kanjalo. But why abantu behlala emotweni ekubeni ubone ukuthi isnow siyaqhubeka? People will die. It's a disaster. What kind of disaster ebingavikeleka kuyagwemeka? So lo hulumeni lona unendaba nobani kanti umnganendaba nabantu kumele ubaseve. Awunandaba nezempilo, awunandaba nezemfundo, kuphela nje into ekhulunywa kuphela iconstitution umnotho, iconstitution umnotho. Awuzwa indaba yempilo zabantu. Why people must die? Government keep just sending warnings. Ukuthi ningahambi ku-N3 what. Why don't you quickly also go rescue abantu? Why send them warnings? Why not go and rescue abantu abalapha yana? Where is rescue teams in this country? Where is army? Ngoba phela yasebenza makuthiwa kunezimo ezifunakalayo. Where is our resources of the states? Ayikho lento le. Lungile kodwa bayi-GNU kuthiwa siyagxeka. Angipheli nabelunga kumele sikhulume sithule ngoba kusho ku right. Hayi sithuleni.
Greetings, sponsor. Yes, we are coming to live from the N3 between Lady Smith and Harry Smith, just after Montrose towards KwaZulu-Natal. We are here in the Free State. This is the situation now. We are stuck here. It's been 13 hours stuck here because there is snow. The snow is storming and motorists here cannot move any further. We understand that just before Van Renen, the road has been closed. That is why there's this, jamming traffic here. People they slept here overnight, and it seems as if it's going to continue. The situation is going to continue like this. We don't know until when. People here are running out of water, food, and some of them are saying that really they're missing out. Some of them, they're attending funerals in KwaZulu-Natal, the funerals that are taking place currently now, but they cannot attend because they're stuck here. Others, they had work trucks they have to deliver. People going to different destinations are being affected because of this now.
Going to be one of the coldest days of the year, albeit we're now late into September. The N3 toll concession is urging motorists to put travel around the Van Rhenens Pass between KZN and the Free State on hold because snow and black ice is making the road incredibly slippery. Snow also having fallen down in the Eastern Cape's Elliot area, KZN's Underberg region, and also on the Sani Pass. Warnings of severe weather also issued for tomorrow, for Sunday, I did mention Sunday, and also for Monday. Disruptive snowfalls, cold, wet conditions, it's all in the Eastern Cape, Northern Cape, and KZN. And Gauteng may even, are you ready, get a glimpse of snow.
Look at this weather, guys. Alhamdulillah. Snowing. So make your way down and have fun. And look how thick the snow is. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. So make your way down.